What's going on? This is GameWithSki and I've got a new computer case. And it is the Cougar Panzer Max G. Now this isn't really a new computer case, it's been out for a while. It's actually an old computer case, but I wanted to get this one because I believe that it has handles to carry it. So if I ever want to take my computer places and do things, I can easily carry it around. Ordered it for Black Friday special. It was like $160, I think. So it's more than what I usually spend on a case. Look at the size of the box. Pretty huge. I don't know which way is up. So I opened up this box that everything came in, and first thing we have is an instruction manual for the box. Here's that side. And that side. And then we have some kind of card here for more cases. And then we have all this other stuff that it came with. These are for, looks like fans. And looks like a headphone mount or something. Some of these. Looks to be like, these are like silicone type for vibration, I'm guessing. We got some zip ties. And a bunch of screws, different size screws. Some 2 motherboard offset thingies. And we can open up the side here for some cable management, and we have a bunch of SSD bays. These are SATA bays. That's kind of neat. And a single hard drive here. Looks like you could put another hard drive bay there. I didn't really want to have the glass pane. I would have actually preferred the plastic. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely glass. I can feel. I almost forgot to get the dimensions. So we've got 10.5 inches, 10 3/4 inches wide, 2 feet and 1/4 inch to the top of this. And this is the depth. We have 21 5/8 inches deep. To get this front cover off here, we have a thumb screw in the back. So there's a big foam block in here, in there. I'm guessing I need to push that out. Okay. Okay, now I can push. Okay, there it is. Now I can push. And that comes out. This particular model only came with one fan. There were some others that came with more. But the difference there is they had a glass face frame here. Now, I don't know about you, but glass doesn't really isn't known for pulling air in. I want to pull air from the front. If someone's got a glass one, let me know how that works. It's just a fine mesh screen that goes on the bottom. This is the bottom. And we got some little rubber feet here. And it just slaps on like that. So here's the old case that I was using. It was a pretty nice case in itself, but I had to cut a hole to fit the 4090, and I can't really take this anywhere. First order of business is getting some fans on here, and I ended up getting the Antec 140 millimeter fans, so we should be able to put 2 of them right there. I know it's sometimes it could be silly, but some people don't know which way the fan blows, and the front of the fan is what sucks. So it's going that way. I kind of feel silly about this. Not really silly, but I guess I feel a little bit deceived, so I have to put this in the video. So here's a separate fan that I have. This is a 120 millimeter fan. Okay, this case takes both, okay? This is a 140 millimeter fan. Okay, this is supposed to be 20 millimeters bigger. Does that look 20 millimeters bigger to you? The frame is bigger, but it's surrounded by this LED light strip thingy. It's not the fan. It's not a full 140 millimeter fan. I think that's a little bit deceptive. So that's something to note. I really wanted the full fan size on there, but I didn't get it. Here, I think you just push in, and then that opens up, and then the same for this. Pretty interesting. And then we have, this is a place for a big radiator that you can use if you have a CPU cooler. I installed the 2 fans here on the top. We're going to start installing stuff now. Now remember, I took that weird thingy out of here it didn't have really a screw. I'm going to install one that requires a screw just because that's kind of where the video card sits, and it can pull. I don't know why they decided against that, but it did come with another offset that takes the screw. Here is the back side of the case. You can see that there's plenty of room for cable management, and it even has airflow that can come in for your drives. Fit that in there, and it easily closes up. It does come with a fan speed controller for those who want to control the speed of the fan, but it is only 3-pin fan controller. And you can see all the connections here. Power switch, reset switch. And this is easy to take off and put on. And if you don't have any USBs that you need, you can easily put on a 3rd fan there. We can see inside, it's pretty clean. Not perfect.